Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City, moving east to 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect wind gusts 34 knots or greater, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency and ask them to relay your report to the National Weather Service office.